Danny Rebus was outside and he said to me, I am going to beat Lisa in the...
Lisa?
I am going to beat Lisa.
She's right here!
I know you're not a doctor, Mr. Bamboo Snorklet.
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 Snorklet, no wonder. You know what I don't like?
Blue boxes. I don't like blue boxes either.
You know what I don't like? I don't like
Starting again?
Oh really? I thought for in last